Hi kids! Today we're going to read the CVC words of the app word family with sentences. Say after me. K, app. K, app. Cap. Cap. This is a red cap. G, app. G, app. Gap. Gap. There's a gap between my teeth. App. App. Nap. 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 I take a nap after school. App. App. Map. Map. This is a world map. App. App. Lap. Lap. Put your hands on your lap. App. App. Rap. Rap. He likes rap music. App. App. Tap. Tap. This is a silver tap. App. App. Sap. Sap. The sap is on the stem. App. App. Yap. Yap. The dog's yap is so loud. App. App. Zap. Zap. The flower is zapped by the bad weather. Well done, everyone! You're able to read the CVC words with sentences. Great job! See you next time. Goodbye!